This is your captain speaking. Welcome to the bonus.
Full screen. Bonus. Oh, he flew by. Oh, I got it. Oh, I'm scared. I always want to go to the right. Always to the right. I'm going to go to the left. Yes, I got it.
This is your captain speaking.
Oh, I hope I don't
Welcome to
get
the bonus.
crap. I need to find Otto. Otto will help me.
We regret any inconvenience.
I'm ordering.
Where are you, Otto? Otto.
I haven't flown for a long time.
Oh, I got the
You
first
found
class
the
ticket.
The first class ticket will later multiply your biggest pick.
Oh, I'm excited about that.
Whoa, big fella.
Remember, these are all quarters. Oh, shoot.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
Yes,
Hope you
thank
enjoy the
you.
rest of your flight. We'll be back to you very quickly.
Where did you get that dress? Looks like I picked the wrong week for smoke.
I am serious.
That was a nice one.
Shirley. Unlock
Oh, I got the auto bonus. I'm so excited. Auto, pick the numbers. Pick a bonus, Auto. Pick a bonus, Auto. You're kidding. He goes to one thing and it's collect. The only good thing about that is, you know, I didn't pick it. Oh, Auto.
Surely there must be
Find a
something you can
bonus.
do. It's an entirely different kind of flying, altogether.
Oh, the cocktail.
Keep an eye on that number
Cockpit
3 engine
bonus.
gauge.
I need to pick a one.
We're in
Big
terrible
numbers.
trouble. Over.
Lots of quarters, please. Pick one. More. What are you doing? Oh, Lisa. Yeah, that's it. Big number. Keep it up.
Sluggish, like a wet sponge.
Come on. Big numbers.
There's no reason to panic.
Oh, I should have picked the middle one. Still, that's not bad.
Yes, Doctor.
Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger's been. Take 5.
I'm getting
You're the
very
only
nervous.
chance we've got.
I know that there's collects around here. Well, there it is.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the
Lion!
bonus.
I did it!
hope you
I
enjoy the
did
rest
it,
of your
guys!
flight.
I picked it! Really?
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
Did it
Hope you
again!
enjoy the
Can you
rest of
believe
your
that?
flight.
That's not that easy to do, guys.
You face some unpleasant facts.
Oh, good. We got the food trade
Would
bonus.
you like to order dinner now? Steak.
Yay!
Steak.
Yes! Should have kept going alternating. Okay, very nice. Turned out to be a nice bonus.
Otto's getting larger.
Another bonus.
Your doctor.
Oh, it's a big, pretty white plane with red stripes.
Oh shoot, I had a feeling I
Pick the
should
right
get
auto
it.
to fly back to the bonus.
I don't have a feeling this time like I did before. Oh shit. At the very last minute I was thinking her. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. But I could have. Oh
Select a
well.
first class seat to multiply your biggest pick.
Oh dear. Oh, I got 5. I got 5 guys. Oh, that is fabulous. Oh, wow, guys. That's like $800 or $900. This is a big win. Woohoo! Thank you, Ashley. thank you. Next time I'll go with my bet at the last minute. But that was fabulous. Got the gold ticket, got auto. The auto failed me big time. Got the free tray bonus and the cockpit bonus. That was so much fun. I just love airplanes. Uh-oh. Whew. Look at that, guys.